So we'll turn in some wires also. These I hope they take for number 1, insulated. I'm not sure. But I just want to get rid of these. These things stink, and I can smell them. Get them out of here. And then we'll take in some number 2 insulated as well. And I'm going to continue chopping some wires here for a minute. Try to fill that dude up. First thing first, though. These are going to be the cans that's going to leak into my truck. Those other cans been bagged up for, I don't know, about 2 weeks now. So, not to mention they sit in that drum, 55-gallon drum, for like months. So hopefully everything's been drained out of it. The bottom of the drum isn't really that bad. Did you think I was going to chug it? Diet lemon lime soda. Somebody bought these, took a couple drinks, and was like, nope. I didn't find these in the field. These were actually given to me by a family member. It was like, well, maybe Twisty will drink them. Not even Twisty would drink them. And that kid's a soda drinker. He doesn't care if it's diet or what. He'd be drinking it. He didn't like these. And this. Look at all this wire, man. Look at all this wire. Stainless steel. Jeez, man. So what I'm going to do is separate the number 2 wire from the Romex. Got me a bigger bin, but I might even need a bigger bin than that. Might end up using this one. Okay, let's do it. These 2 things he said cut. That one there I could leave on the cord. And I'll leave that on the cord. Why? Not knocking anybody that pulls that brass out of these plugs. Not knocking them, man. Seriously. That's your thing. But it roughly takes about 120 of these to make a pound of brass. And if my hands are going to start hurting from pulling something, it's going to be wire. My hand's going to be hurting from doing something like that, it's going to be the wire. It ain't gonna be those plugs. All strippy. All that. Strippy. Get in there. Oh, with those 3 bags of cans, the auto cast, and this wire, this might turn out to be a pretty good little run. Yeah. For sure, man. Alright. I got a couple more batteries, small boys here. I think I need to turn the wire off of them. Nope. One of them thought was connected. Yeah, that's connected. There we go. turned in quite a few of those already, so we'll start another little pile. I got a milk crate, of course. I got milk crates everywhere. I'll just start stacking them in the milk crates. And then you can stack the milk crates. Very nice, very nice. Boy, look at this thick gas, boy. Look at that thick one. That'll definitely be coming out of there. All right, I'm putting you up in the pocket. Oh, dang it, I knew it. I knew it. Should have just started it up in this mug. There we go. Oh, I still don't think I'm gonna get it all to fit in that. I might have another tote on top of it, because we still got that cart to go through. Hopefully it's mostly Romex, I'm hoping. I mean, there is a lot of number 2 in there. Look at this. I didn't step on it, but that's packed in there pretty good. It's all Romex and strippable wire, man. You know, geez, this is going in the basement. I got some things I need to take into the basement through the door here on the side, like the skid and some other things. That is going in the basement. Dude, I was so nervous last night about leaving this out. You know, I had a tarp over it, but I mean, people cut through your yards, man. They'll go through your gates and leave them open. You know what I'm saying? I was so nervous, man, about leaving that stuff out. I strip the wire inside usually, you know, when I'm catching up on YouTube or Rick and Morty. So it'll just be easier to get to from the basement. Somebody's calling me. Look at that. We got some K-12 learning going on here. School desks are cool, man. I'm not scrapping these things out. I'm keeping these. And I'll give them away to whoever wants one. You know, somebody will be like, oh, I would want that. I'll be like, take it. They'll be like, no way. And I'm like, way. See if these jokers threw out anything else. We're on a break. No, I don't see anything. Well, this thing's about to snap. Just loosen her up a little bit. Nothing. Awesome. This thing's packed. I pushed as hard as I could all the way down, as much as possible all the way up. Pushing down, filling it up, pushing it down, filling it up, pushing it down, and it's packed. 55-gallon drum full of Romex, tote full of Romex, and I'll be stripping some wire for a minute. It sucks. This stuff here sucks. See that color? That's just old, brittle. All that vinyl is going to be it's going to be pretty hard to take off, I'm sure. We'll get it off of there. Make some money. There's a steel shred and shit I got to go through. Steel shred and stuff we need to go through. And then there's my tote of number 2 insulated. Number 1 insulated. Hopefully they'll give me that. If not, they just take it as number 2. I can care less. Truck's already packed. All right. Well, we just got back from the yard. Looks like these guys tossed out a little bit more metal. No dirty brass. Nah, it's all right. We'll take it. Oh. This is a little dirty brass. Nice. That might be brass right here too. Cool. I just brought this big old beast thing over here. Oh, what they got? They got something else sitting out there? Oh, let's get the water tank now. But I brought this big old beast over here. Look at that. Yes, sir. Still have the copper on it. I need to build up the copper tubing. Still has the copper on it. Brass valve. I might pick up my saw. I'm getting a reciprocating saw today or tomorrow. It's at the Walmart. 25 bucks. Oh, dude, this is nice. Yeah, look at this mammoth thing. I'm gonna try to put it in the truck tonight. is. Let me get you a picture of it before it gets too dark. Is this some kind of heater? Dude, look at the design. That's rad. It's even got a little fancy boy on there. Huh. Wild. Oh. Wow, look at that. I don't think this was some kind of furnace because it had a rubber seal on it. You know, whatever it is, this scrap metals. So zing! I want to do, this is just going to have to go in the truck next, but I wanted to actually do this. I want to get rid of this thing first. I need to cut off my brass, my dirty brasses. I'm going to get rid of this thing first because this thing is just ugly, sitting back here with the rest of the ugliness. So, nice thing about this whole ordeal is I can run stuff in before Jesse has to start his classes. I can run this stuff in the morning. I want to get rid of this. I want to get rid of a lot of this stuff out of here. But this thing might have to go in there first. And shit, I might even have to have Sam come help me. We picked up heavy stuff before. You know, I flipped it in the bed of a truck though, that's the thing. Flipping it into the back of the Trailblazer might be a little more difficult. Oh, starting to rain out here. Let's see if we can get some video footage of the Blazer before we take off. No. She's full again. She is full again. Somebody got that big old heavy cast boy. No. Couldn't get it in the truck. That thing is about 300 pounds, man. About 300 pounds. I couldn't pick it up. Let's get fired up. Fire the truck up. Well, I made it home just in time. It started pouring down rain. And on Bob and Tom there, they were just talking about it's going to freeze. Temperatures are dropping. This rain's going to freeze. It's going to snow by tomorrow. Bummer. Bummer, bummer, bummer. I still got all that copper wire sitting outside too, man. I got it under a tarp, but not very well. I'm not going to mess with it in the rain. Not right now. Not right now. We ain't going to mess with that in the rain. Anyways, look at this. Another ticket. We got another ticket for $26. 620 pounds. 85 a net ton. 26 paid. Way to go. Way to go.
these are cool. Oh yeah, we might try these out. That's nice.
Sit, meow mix, sit. Meow. That's a good pussy.